Example 4b. And on this one, we're going to write an equation in function notation given the following table. To solve this kind of problem, you first have to think about silent board games. Does anybody remember how to do it? How to remember what you guys did to do the silent board game?
You have to try and find the same number that matches up with all the other.
Exactly. So what do we think we have to do here? Here's some things you can think about. Okay, we're going to go down here and go write these. Things to think about trying to solve this.
4.
Hang on. First thing, if the sign changes from X to Y, then you times it with a negative. Okay? So if the sign changes from X to Y, you times it by a negative. No. The next thing to look at, if all the h of x are smaller than x, then you're either going to divide, multiply the fraction, or subtract. So, thinking about those things, how do I find out what my answer is? Some of you guys are throwing out 4. If I add 4, negative 6 plus 4, that doesn't give me 2. If I subtract 6, negative 6 or 3, if I subtract 4, negative 6 minus 4, that doesn't give me 2. I'm going to add what?
You add 8 as 2, but then we work all of them.
Right, so it can't be 8. So why are we adding? Because it says if the sign changes from x to y times a negative. Okay? Am I going from a x to a y? Is it changed, my sign?
Is it actually?
Is my sign changing from x to y?
No. Yes.
It goes from a negative to a positive, so I know that, so I might have to times a negative. Okay? Or are my h to x smaller than the x? Are my h to x smaller than my x?
Yes. Wait, double bar. After 0, 0.
Are my h to x smaller than my x?